make sure you hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. I've been thinking back to the olden days, the good old days. I had a piggy bank when I was young. I had several piggy banks. Parents would give me money. I get money for birthdays, Christmas, other holidays. I'd be stuffed into that piggy bank. Piggy bank be getting heavy. So heavy. Finally, it gets so full and heavy, I say, Mom, Dad, can I crack the piggy bank? They let me crack it. And they said, what you going to do with it? I tell them, what my plans were. If I was going to buy something or put it in the bank, I'd get a chance to crack the piggy bank and actually count and see how much money I had. Well, today, so many people are buying cryptocurrency. But the only way to access it is either by online, on your computer, or on your phone. You got to put this long passcode in to find out if it's still there. And sometimes it's not. Anyway, wouldn't it be nice if you had a cryptocurrency piggy bank or Bitcoin bank? You could just drop your Bitcoin in there and you knew it was there. You could feel it and touch it and be a little bit more substantial to you. Anyway, I'm going to show you today how you can create your very own Bitcoin piggy bank. And at the end of the video, I'm going to animate it, have a little fun. So check me out, watch the video, come back next week. All right, take care. I'm in my Procreate gallery on my iPad Pro, and as you see, I have been toying around with this Bitcoin image for a while, trying to refine it and trying to come up with the correct way to present it in an animation. I thought about just moving it. I also thought about it coming out of an egg, and then it hit me. Piggy bank. Saving Bitcoin in a piggy bank. Something I know you can't do, but wouldn't it be great if you could save Bitcoin in a piggy bank? Anyway, I'm going to start out making an oval for my piggy bank. Drop some pink in it. Then, as I try to make this oval look like it's three-dimensional, I'm going to put some white highlights. I'm going to use some grayish tones to round it out a bit so it's not so flat. I want to get it just right before I start adding the snout. Now the snout is going to end up being a circle. And then I'm going to drop a much darker pink into that. Got to get it centered just right. Then I'm going to have to give that a little dimension too. I'm going to have to work around the side, add some fuchsias, darker grays, give it a little dimension. Got to make a curve. Don't want to have just a flat nose. Then after that, we're going to put the two nostrils in there. And I have to do the same thing with those nostrils. I'm going to double them. I'm going to duplicate them, move it over. And then I'm going to put some darker colors in that to give it some dimension also. Then I'm going to work on it some more. We got to start giving it some facial features. Eyes, ears, gotta put the slot in there so you can put your imaginary Bitcoin in it. And don't forget about the feet and the squiggly tail. Now, I'm gonna add a shadow to the bottom, throw a background in. Let's see what happens when I add my Bitcoin. And then I'm gonna try to do a little animation. And lastly, let's make my piggy bank talk.
On the BITCOIN, PIGGY. Bring your coin on by, drop it in the slot when you come on by. I'm the BITCOIN, PIGGY. Just bring your coin down in my slot, and I'll say goodbye.
Don't forget to come back to Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. He's gonna have another video for you next week.
I knew we couldn't do it.